Hello, today we are unboxing the incredible TUF Gaming B550M-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboard. It's a very snazzy motherboard with a lot of cool features. I can't wait to see what's inside. So here we have the antenna for the Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi 6 router, you get some really fast data transfer speeds. Underneath here we have the actual motherboard, and this thing looks sharp, even in the bag. The logos really pop, like this one right here in the corner. Now that the board is out, we can see what's hidden away in the box. We have a really cool TUF Gaming I/O shield, complete with TUF Gaming logos and decals. We have the Certificate of Reliability. This is your motherboard's report card of all the reliability and durability tests that were taken. As you can see here, our motherboard has passed everything with flying colors. I've heard legends of objects like these. If I recall, they originate from Atlantis, from before the fall. If I were to guess, this object may have all the motherboard drivers you need. The manual here has all the information you'll need to properly set up your motherboard. For first-time builders, this is really helpful. It can be quite overwhelming with so many wires connecting to so many places. It's dangerous to go alone, so take this. Ah, no way, we got a sticker sheet. Ah man, these are cool. They all have a really nice shine to them. I can't wait to put them on my PC case, but before we go any further, I'm going to put one on my glove. How about this one? Yeah, tough. Alright, now that we have the motherboard out of the protective sleeve, we can take a look at all the cool features on the board. Here we have an impressive heatsink. This thing has a really nice sturdy build to it. You can tell it's really built with that tough philosophy behind it. Here we have the 8+2 DrMOS Power Stage VRM. Down here is our M.2 slot with a flexible heatsink. This has a really nice build to it as well, just like the heatsinks around the VRM. Here we have our two PCIe slots. On top of that, the PCIe 4.0 slot has ASUS safe slot metal reinforcements to prevent any GPU sag. Next to the chipset is our RGB lighting zone. Well, that about covers it. I'm going to peel off some of these protective stickers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more ASUS content. Let us know in the comments below what kind of PC you'll build with your TUF Gaming B550M-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboard.